And welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Girls face a must-win game against Honduras this evening in their final Group E match at the CONCACAF Championship qualifying competition in Nicaragua. Match time is 8 p.m. The young Jamaicans blanked Bermuda 2-0 on Sunday in their second game to remain unbeaten, courtesy of goals from Shaniel Buckley in the 47th minute and Davia Richards in time added. The young Reggae Girls, who had beaten Anguilla 6-0 in their opening match, are now lying second in the group behind Honduras, who have a plus 14 goal difference in comparison to Jamaica's 8. Now, only the 6 group winners will advance to the CONCACAF Championship set for May 24 to June 3 in the Dominican Republic. The 6 teams will join the United States and Mexico at the championship. San Diego High School Principal Colette Furtado Price says the presentation of a plaque depicting former star student athlete and current Reggae Girls captain Khadija Bonnie Shaw will serve as a further motivation for the school's footballers. San Diego was presented with the plaque on Monday during the FIFA Women's Trophy Tour, which made a stop at the St. Catherine-based school.
Based on the presentation, the plaque that was made, that will hold a prominent place in our auditorium, and our footballers, they will see that whenever we have any function or worship in the auditorium, and that's just enough to motivate them to reach higher heights.
On Monday, the FIFA Women's World Cup trophy was displayed at the Jamaica Pegasus before a day's trip across the island. The trophy was also on display at the Ocho Rios High School and the Harmony Park Beach in Montego Bay. Arnett Gardens captain Fabian Reid scored a late winner as the Junglists got a 1-0 victory over Dunby Holden in the early kickoff game in the Monday night doubleheader of the Jamaica Premier League, this at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Reid scored just before full time to take his tally to 14 for the season. Arnett now joined Cavalier on 46 points, the same as leaders Cavalier, but with an inferior goal difference.
Yeah, this win is a good win, you understand, because as you can see, we have a little pressure upon we, you understand, which we play underneath pressure on it, God, you understand, so we get this win is a good thing for we, you understand, we push it forward.
Meanwhile, Waterhouse had a similar margin of victory over Tivoli Gardens thanks to a 15th-minute strike from Shaquille Bradford in the feature encounter at the same venue. The victory sees Waterhouse leapfrog Portmore United into the 6th and final playoff spot, while Tivoli remain 11th on 19 points.
As a team today, we played very well defensively. Offensively, we created a lot of chance. We scored one, and we defended that chance. Going forward, we just have to be focused. We just have to continue working as a unit, and it will pay dividends.
Finally, driving in the KZ2 category of the FIA European Karting Championships for the first time, Alex Powell has put himself in a position to win the overall title. This after claiming an historic victory to finish top of the podium in round 1 in Spain on Sunday. The 18-lap final race opened with a duel between Great Britain's Freddie Slater and Romanian Daniel Vasile. Powell, who started in 5th position, had some very fast laps to eventually pass Vasile before taking the lead from Slater on lap 12. The 15-year-old distanced himself from the rest of the pack, leading the final 6 laps to win ahead of Slater and Spaniard Jorge Pescador.
Pole on Friday and then winning three heats, but then two heats I did quite badly on my side. So I mean, it was just trying to find myself again and, really go for it. In the pre-final, I think I was just way too cautious. And then it cost me in the end. But I knew going into the final that I had it. I was capable of doing it. I knew I had it in me. I just had to bring it out. And I mean, it's such an amazing feeling.
The Mercedes-Benz AMG F1 protege, who is pulling double duties as he's also in the OK category, is currently second in the standings on 66 points, behind Slater 72 points and ahead of Vasile, who is on 61 points. And that's where we leave the circuit for now. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for primetime news. On behalf of the News Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.